Hello there, welcome to this video on the virtual classroom. Now, this is one of the most integral parts of the e-learning platform that you need to know. It is where you would actually meet with your lecturers and students and your classmates for lessons. Okay, so I'd advise that you pay close attention to this video. So the video also assumes that you already know how to log in, how to access your dashboard, how to submit assignments and all of those kind of things. Okay, you need to understand how to do all of those things before you learn how to use the virtual classroom. So let's get right into it. So I've already logged in. This is my dashboard. I'm going to choose a course quickly. So I'll choose data communications and computer networks, and then once you are on the course page for whichever course you've selected, keep in mind that you need to visit the virtual classroom. Okay, so among this list you choose virtual classroom. Now when you choose virtual classroom, it would ask you to join session. It says that this conference room is ready, you can join the session now. So I'll join session and wait for it to load. It would open another browser window. And keep in mind that there is currently no one in this conference, it's only I. Now when the page loads, it would ask you how would you like to join the audio. You can choose either microphone or listen only. Now I'll explain the two of them. Microphone gives you the ability to speak in the conference. So when a lecturer asks a question, you can speak and the lecturer and your classmates would be able to hear you. If you choose listen only, you can hear the lecturer and any other person speaking in this conference, but you cannot speak. When you speak, no other student or the lecturer himself would not be able to hear you. Okay, so my recommendation is always to choose microphone because you would like to use your microphone. Now when I choose microphone, nobody is going to hear me. In fact, I can't speak because my microphone is already being used to do the recording. Okay, so I can't speak inside I can't share my microphone with the virtual classroom. So for the time being, I'm going to select listen only, and listen only would connect me into the virtual classroom. So it says you have joined the audio conference. So when you join the audio conference, you will see this welcome to big blue button thing here. You can just click on the minus sign to exit it. Okay, and now you are in the virtual classroom. If any other person is in the virtual classroom, you will see their video showing somewhere here, especially the lecturer. Okay, so if in case you want to change from listen only to say microphone, you can just click on the headset icon here. It would say you have left the audio conference. Okay, leaving the audio conference does not mean you are no longer in the virtual classroom. It only means that you are not able to hear anything again. They will be speaking, but you would not hear anything. Okay, so you can click on it again to join, and this time you can click microphone. Now, like I explained earlier, when I click microphone, I wouldn't be able to join, or you wouldn't be able to hear me even if I speak, because my microphone is being used by the recorder I'm using to record this session. Okay, but then I want to teach you how to mute your microphone, so just follow what I'll be doing, but you can't hear me once I enter by joining with my microphone. I want to allow it's not even allowing me to join with my microphone because of the recording session. So I think let me block it and see. Let me refresh the page. And keep in mind that this is not going to happen to you. Okay, it is only happening to me. I think I need to authenticate again. It is only happening to me because I am in a recording session. Okay, I'm recording my screen, so the screen recorder is using my microphone, so I'm not able to share that same microphone with the website. So that is why this is happening. Let me try again. yeah, it would not permit me. It would not permit me. Okay, let me allow the microphone from here. Okay, so you realized what happened. So when I muted the microphone, you heard the lady say you are now muted, and when I unmuted, prompt me that you are now unmuted. Okay, so that is what happens when you enter with the microphone. Now keep in mind that whatever happened to me, me trying to getting access denied and stuff like that, it is not going to happen to you. It is only happening to me because I am recording my screen, and my screen recorder is using my microphone. Okay, so that is why when I enter by microphone, you're unable to hear me. So I'll enter once more with microphone. Okay, so you saw the process of muting and unmuting. Okay, so I'm going to go back to listen only so that you can hear me while I take you through the rest of the virtual classroom. Okay, so now in the virtual classroom, you can also share your video. It is not recommended to share your video while the lecturer is speaking. Why? Because you are going to spend a lot of internet bundle. Okay, but if the lecturer wants to see you for some reason, you can tap on this icon to share your webcam. Okay, so when you click on this, it is still not going to allow me. The same problem I'm having, and it's all because of my screen recorder. Let me see if I can overcome it. Nope, I can't. So keep in mind that you just click on this, you click on allow if it asks you, and it will just pass you through. But for me, I'm getting permission denied because I'm recording and I can't use the same services the recorder is using. Okay, so that is how you would be able to share your video with the rest of the class. Now you can see at the top here there is an icon. When I tap on and hold on it, it says this session is not being recorded, and that is because there is no lecturer in this session. Now it is only the lecturer that has the ability to record a session, and once the class is over, the recording is automatically emailed to every student. Okay, so you can always remind your lecturer to record a session so that you can go over it after the class has even ended. Okay, so if recording is in session, this white icon would show red. Okay, that would show that recording is in session. Okay, and another thing you can do is to tap on the human or the person icon here. Just tap on it and you can see some options here: public chat, shared notes, and then users. Okay, the users here would show you the list of all users. Currently it's only me, so I can see only me here. Now when you go into public chat, it's just like a normal chat. You can chat anyone. So whatever you write here, everyone including the lecturer sees it. Okay, so in case the lecturer is talking and you want to say something or ask the lecturer a question and you don't want to use your microphone, you can just write it here. You can share emojis and all, and it would show up down here. Okay, so that is it for the public chat. For shared notes, it is mostly used by the lecturers. Okay, it's a form whereby you can type in something and share with the class, but mostly the lecturers are going to use this, so you wouldn't need to use shared notes. Now you can perform some actions on yourself. Okay, when you tap on yourself, you can see set status. So in case the lecturer asks a question and you want to raise your hand without using your microphone, you can come and set status and raise hand. So you see that your status will change. Okay, when you click on your username again, you can set a different status. Let's say applaud, and it would set that status. You click on your username again, you can clear status, and your status would be cleared. Okay, so status is very helpful when you want to perform some action you want everybody to see, but then you don't want to use your microphone to talk. Okay, so that is it for the virtual classroom. The virtual classroom is very easy. There is not much you have to do. You just need to know that when you are joining the virtual classroom, you need to allow for your microphone to be captured by the website. And if you want to share video as well, you need to allow your video to be shared by the website. Okay, so that is basically it for the virtual classroom. Everything else will be handled by the lecturer, so you don't need to go into much detail. But what you need to know, I guess I have described it to you. So I'll see you in the next video where we talk about exams.